I want you to run. And I don't care for how long. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, heck, even just a single minute. I want you to pause this video, leave your phone on your desk, unplug from the world for just a second, and just focus on you. Get up and go for a little walk outside. And whilst you're walking, turn that into a little run. You can do this. Go on. I'm not going anywhere. I'll wait for you. So, did you do it? Because if you did, I want to hear all about it. Go down in the comments and tell me what you did before continuing this video. How did your walk go? How long did you walk for? How long did you run for? How do you feel? Tell me about it. I really want to read it. Why am I telling you to do this? Let's be real for a second. I can almost guarantee that you have been watching YouTube videos pretty much all day today. Either on your computer or your phone. I can almost guarantee that this is the first bit of exercise you've done all day. Now, I may be completely wrong. You could be an athlete for all I know, and you're calling me out on my bullcrap. But how many of you guys watching this out there can confidently say that about yourselves? Come here for a sec. I want you to be better than you were yesterday. If you did go for a run when I told you to, then congratulations. I am so freaking proud of you. You just took the very first step. Oh, but I couldn't run for more than just a minute. That's fine. You still did it. It all starts with 1 minute, and then that 1 minute becomes 2 minutes, and so on. Guys, a house isn't built all at once. It's laid out brick by brick over the course of months until it's finished and then refined. Rome wasn't built in a day, you know? So if you haven't gone for a run yet and you're still watching this, what are you doing, mate? I'm giving you another chance now. Pause the video and go do it, honestly. I really don't care about the retention of this video. I care about you. I want you to be the best version of yourself because you deserve the opportunity to earn that. But you need to work for it. And I know you can do it. It's never too late to start. Most of us think that and they give up before they even take the first step. All of us have so much potential. So go and unlock it. Break through your barriers. Push through. Be greater than you were before. You can do this. I believe in you. I believe you can. And I don't have to know you personally to say this because I know every single one of us can do great things. It all starts with one step. 1 minute. One push-up. One word. One action. One goal. I want you to run. Because the minute you do is the start of a new journey. One that will lead you to greatness. To quote a line from one of my favorite books at the moment, a one-off workout won't change everything, but a small increase in physical activity has the power to become a catalyst for significant life changes. I want you to run.